All right, guys, room 2283, Carnival Magic. Let's check out Suite 2283 on the Carnival Magic. We really enjoyed the room that it gave us. We had 4 guests in our party, and this was more than enough room for us. Upon entering the room, you notice that there's plenty of space, and it walks directly off to the balcony. This balcony was plenty large enough. We really enjoyed it, and especially Tracy. She really liked it. Woo! The bathroom was typical size for your interior staterooms on board any Carnival ship. Your typical storage on board Carnival ships was available. This was plenty for all 4 of us. Large countertop with underneath stool and garbage can, as well as a large hidden refrigerator that actually cooled very well for a ship refrigerator. And as always, a safe. The TV was very small, however that's expected on a lower deck. I mean, hey, who uses a TV on board a cruise ship? Bed 3 is a couch pull-out, and bed 4 is a Pullman bed that comes down from the ceiling. I hope you enjoyed and found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe below. It doesn't cost you a dime, but it helps us out a ton. Thanks a lot, guys. Please join the Moonlight Mafia. We have cookies.